What's up, guys? This is Jake Fry, the car guy here at JC Lewis Ford in Statesboro, Georgia. Guys, we are bringing you the amazing redesigned 2021 F-150 Lariat package. Guys, this amazing Oxford white F-150 Lariat package has our chrome front, rear bumper, and chrome tow hooks for getting your buddies out of trouble. We've also got the brightest in class LED front lights here. And a little sneak preview of what's to come, guys. We've got cameras on the front as well as the side mirrors here. You know what that means? That's right, we've got the 360-degree top-down camera from Ford that makes you get a much more useful parking access and safety access for your F-150. We've also got our keyless door entry and those great safety features like your blind spot control and lane keeping system here for the F-150. Guys, this is an FX4 package F-150. That means you've got better suspension and skid plates on the bottom of the truck for doing all that good off-roading we know that Fords can do. As you see your hydraulic tailgate come down, guys, we're going to see our 2021 brand new workspace with magnetized portions for keeping screws, bits, tools, everything you might need on your tailgate. We can also see, guys, this awesome tailgate step that's going to allow you to get in and out of your tailgate a little bit better, as well as a clamp for a vice grip in the back with your measurements here, so you can cut both metric and international units of wood, whatever you might need for a project. You'll also see the three-prong or three socket outlet right here, as well as LED bed lights that activate at the side and the top. And we also have a camera we're going to show you in just a second that'll let you view from the cabin your bed virtually. Come back to the front of our 21 F-150 Lariat, you're going to notice the 3.5 liter high output max trailer tow package engine we've got here. Guys, this engine is amazing. Twin turbo, going to produce 365 horsepower and actually 420 foot-pounds of torque. Do you know what that can tow, guys? A full 14,000 pounds. 14,000 pounds, that smokes most brands' major diesel trucks in a regular half-ton gas truck. As we come around to our interior here, guys, you're going to notice the brand new redesigned 2021 F-150 interior. These are our two-tone tan and black leather seats. You'll also notice the Bang & Olufsen sound system there, which produces some of the crispest, best sound in the industry. A dual glove box, giving you extra storage space and everything right in front of your hands how you want it, as well as a massive center console with the sliding tray, and the newly redesigned shifter for your 21 F-150 with the power both up and down feature, as well as a feature that'll actually let you set your phone up so that you can view everything you might want to see when information pops up, text, map changes, as well as your navigation on this beautiful Sync 4 improved 12-inch screen right here. There's new settings, new features, and a lot of great new stuff that you can get from the Sync 4 improved 2021 screen. Some of that great stuff, guys, includes that 360 camera that you're gonna see right here. It has a top-down view as well as multiple different angles, a front camera, a trisected fisheye front camera, as well as that bed view that we were discussing, which just gives you so much more capability. It's so handy for actually doing the work that you're gonna do in your new F-150. We've also got a Pro Trailer Backup Assist that will actually help you back up a trailer with this turning into the wheel versus your full-sized wheel. An integrated trailer brake, 4 high, 4 low, and 4 automatic, as well as a electronic locking rear differential. We also have multiple different drive modes in the 2021 F-150. So you're going to notice your normal mode, slippery mode for rainy conditions, your deep snow sand mode, which is going to utilize four-wheel drive, as will your mud and rut mode. We also have a rock crawl mode for getting into that fun kind of off-roading terrain, a tow haul mode, which gives you integrated trailer, brake controller, and better traction control access for your tires if it feels them slipping. That green, good for the environment, better eco mode, it's going to save you on gas, and the sports mode for getting after it when your buddy is trying to play with you in traffic. We've also got the adaptive cruise, which is going to physically keep you a set distance behind the car in front of you. So if somebody pulls out in front of you, we're going to slow down to a safe speed, preventing accidents and keeping your F-150 accident-free and on the road. The Lariat package, guys, there's so much to talk about, from the heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate control. We've got both 12-volt USBs and the 3-prong outlet charger right here. Can activate your side LED mirrors, mirror lights, as well as memory seating, power seats on both sides. Guys, I can't think of something I'm missing in this 21 F-150. Oh wait, there's more. Take a look, guys. We've got the beautiful panoramic twin panel sunroof here. Slides all the way back. Everybody enjoys the beautiful weather that we have down here in South Georgia, or wherever you may take your Ford 2021 Lariat. Guys, when it comes time to buy, or when you just have a question about an F-150, you know who to call. Jake Fry, the car guy, and Walker Paul Tetters at J.C. Lewis Ford, Statesboro, Georgia. Come on by.